everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chef Connie, with lots of yum for you. And today we are going to be making a delicious Vietnamese salad. So we're gonna start off with marinating the chicken. And marinating the chicken, we're gonna use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Well, let me put my glasses on, and here we go. Starting off with we have 2 cloves of garlic, 1 juice from 1 lime, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And I'll make sure I put all this information in the description box. And then we have our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So what we're going to do is mix in, let me get my spatula. Okay everyone, so I have my spatula, and what we're going to do is this chicken, we're going to marinate it at least 20 minutes before we make it. So I'm going to take this bowl, I have my bowl, put in the garlic, our oil, the brown sugar, my soy sauce, my fish sauce, and the lime juice. So this is our marinade for this chicken. I've had this chicken before. It is absolutely delicious. And this is a delicious, here we go. This is a delicious chicken. Marinade is very good. What we're gonna do is stir this until the sugar is dissolved. So as I look at this, I see that sugar is pretty much dissolved. Go ahead and put the chicken pieces in here. Okay, and then what we want to do next is make sure that all of the chicken is marinating in the sauce. Okay. So right now I have checked and I see that all my chicken, each and every piece, is marinating in the sauce. And you want 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I've got that. And I am marinating my chicken. I actually had the boneless, skinless chicken thighs and I cut them in half. So now I have this marinating in the sauce. I'm gonna sit this in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can leave it in, marinate it for that long. You can also marinate this overnight. So here we go. I'm gonna put a top on this, put it in the fridge, and then come back in the video after we've marinated the chicken and pop it in the oven on a grill pan, which is gonna be so delicious. All right, this is what we have here. Looks good. I will see you guys soon. Hi everyone. So, welcome back. Of course, we had to let our chicken marinate for approximately, I let it marinate for an hour. 30 minutes to an hour, I let it marinate for an hour. That way I can ensure that all my delicious flavors will be soaked into the meat. I prefer to do it overnight, but hey, right now it's good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my chicken on this beautiful oven pan with grill. This is great. We're gonna put this in the oven right now at 375 degrees. For how long? I don't know. All ovens are different, but I will give you an exact amount of time after we get finished completely cooking the chicken. How about that? So I'm laying it out nice and neat. I'm going to take the meat, this sauce, and boil it so that I can either have my guests put it on their rice or also baste my meat with it. So here's my meat laid out in the pan, organized, and I'm going to put it in the oven right now at 375. So I will be back when it's time for this delicious chicken, Vietnamese chicken, to come out of the oven. See you soon. Here we go. So here's the chicken. It's out of the oven. It looks so delicious. Let me put it on a plate, show you. All right, so I love this recipe. The chicken has actually caramelized a little bit on the top. Look at this. Is that delicious or what? Oh my goodness. And the flavors have soaked into this. This is delicious. This is our Vietnamese marinated chicken. So what I'm going to do is, I cooked it on this grill pan for approximately 50 minutes on the grill pan. You can see, make sure that when you cook it, especially on a grill pan like this, that you cook it on foil. Put foil on the bottom of your pan, okay? So that burnt stuff just comes right up on the foil and you don't ruin your pan. So now I'm back into not only talking about this recipe, but also gonna add this to this. Is so delicious, and another good recipe of delicious chicken that you can add to your meal prep. I'm still back on that meal prep, okay? Because this is part 2, and there'll be other parts. But the chicken is tender. This boneless, skinless chicken, it's tender. Here I have, you can eat this with rice. Chicken here. As a matter of fact, I'll just go ahead and put one of these delicious pieces of juicy chicken right here. So here you have your hot and your hot. Again, rice and chicken. For those of us who are doing low carb, here we go. Hot again, broccoli and chicken. Same thing, delicious, delicious. And then here's a salad. And you can actually eat this on a salad. So if you want to eat the chicken cold, you just cut it up and put it in this compartment right here. I'll show you this empty compartment, smaller side, and then just put it on your salad. So that's what this chicken is, delicious. Or you can eat it all at dinner time with your family. It's up to you. But for those of you who, again, doing meal prep and want something different and delicious, this is it. This chicken, I'm going to be doing more recipes that are helpful and keep you with delicious flavors and delicious meal prepping. Because if you're not trying to lose weight, hey, we can eat it with the rice and the broccoli. So I'm cutting this up right now, and I'm going to do the delicious taste test. Oh. Oh, delicious. Lots of flavor and everything. Also, follow the directions of my video. Check out the description. This is a dressing that goes with this chicken. Beyond the marinade, there was a dressing because it's original. The chicken is original. It says it's, you know, for a salad, but I took the chicken and let you know, hey, you can have this chicken by itself with broccoli, or with a salad, or with rice. Up to you, however you want to eat it, or by itself. And this is the dressing that you can put on the rice on the salad if you want to have it on the salad. Even sprinkle some on your broccoli. So thank you for watching. We just did the deliciousness test, which is delicious. We got 3 different ways you can eat this chicken. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. This is delicious. I'll make sure I put everything in the description box, and I will see you soon with another delicious video. Bye for now.